Namaste students. Today we will start with the chapter 4 of your social science book, and the name of the chapter is Looking After Ourselves. Let's begin with the chapter. There are many villages, towns and cities in India. The people living in these villages, towns and cities need drinking water, electricity, roads, schools and hospitals. These are called civic amenities. Amenities means the facilities. In a village, the Gram Panchayat provides civic amenities, whereas in towns and cities, civic amenities are provided by municipal committees. We will further study what is Gram Panchayat and what is municipal committees. First, let's see what is Gram Panchayat. Every village in our country has a Gram Panchayat. It is also called a Gram Sabha. Means the Gram Panchayat is also known as Gram Sabha. All men and women who are 18 years or more of age are living in that village choose the members of the Gram Panchayat. It means a person who is living in the village and has attained the age of 18 can vote or can choose the Gram Panchayat. Among the elected members, there must be at least one woman member. See, look in the picture. This is the scene of Gram Panchayat where the senior person of the village solves the problem of the villagers. Let's read more about Gram Panchayat. One of the member is elected to work as the head of the Gram Panchayat. He is called the Pradhan or the Sarpanch. The head of the Gram Panchayat is known as the Sarpanch or the Pradhan. The members of the Gram Panchayat meet regularly to plan schemes for the welfare of the village and to look after the needs of the people. It means the Sarpanch or the Pradhan meets regularly with the people of the village to solve their problems and to plan for the new schemes, and generally it works for the welfare of the village. And Gram Panchayat, the Sarpanch elects the 5 member of his choice who can work proper according to him, that are known as panches. Now let's see what are the function of the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat looks after the cleaning of the village, digging of wells for drinking water, building and repairing of roads, lighting of streets and roads, education of children, education of those adults who cannot read or write, dispensaries to look after the sick. Dispensaries, we can say the shop of the medicines. So these are the functions of the Gram Panchayat that he has to perform in his village. The Gram Panchayat makes community programs with the help of the villagers. Roads are built and looked after through these programs. They help to keep the village clean and the people healthy. Now, let's read about municipal committees. In the villages, we have read the Gram Panchayat looks after the village and all the facilities of the village. In the cities and towns, all the facilities are provided by municipal committees. A municipal committee look after the civic amenities of the people living in town or cities. Its members are elected by people who are 18 years or more of age. These elected members are called municipal councillors. One of the members is elected to work as the head of the municipal committee. He is called the chairman or president. The elected member in the municipal committee is known as municipal councillors, and that is also elected by the people who has attained the age of 18, and that municipal councillor is known as the chairman or the president. In big cities like Mumbai and Delhi, the municipal committees are called municipal corporations. The head of the corporation is the mayor. The following are the main functions of the municipal committee. The city neat and clean. It arranges for supply of drinking water. It keeps the street and roads well lit at night. Means it is also the duty of municipal committee to keep the street lights proper. It opens and runs primary health centers and hospitals. It provides free education for children up to 14 years of age. It builds and repairs roads. It builds and maintains parks. It set up adult education centers specially for the poor. These are the functions of municipal committee, and municipal committee performs the function in the cities and towns. A large amount of money is needed to do all these things. Who gives this money to the municipal committee? Yes, here is a big question. The same problem is there with the Gram Panchayat also, that from where does the Gram Panchayat gets the money to perform all the function, and in the same the municipal committee, from where does it gets the money to perform all the functions. Now let's see from where does they get the money. The committee collects money from the people in the form of taxes such as house tax, property tax, water tax, and road tax. Yes, from the tax, the government gets the money and the tax is to be paid by the people. And with the tax, the money of the tax is used by the government for the betterment and for the welfare of the country or the city. So, this is all what about your chapter. I hope you have understood it. Read the chapter again. Thank you.